Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to manage these categories and these subcategories of our Frontend template. Currently, look at that. So just keep reload. Oh, just my bad. Just need to make a reload first. Here is our Frontend template, and currently is all of this is static data, not to make dynamic actually. Okay, and this is comes from our default HTML code. So, sorry. Now I want to make all of this dynamic data shows up our font in. So back to our VS Code and make our appropriate function. This is our VS Code. Better first of all, I remove all of this file and just keep web.php. And first, we global helper.php, and in this function I have to create it in previous videos. So what is needed actually, what is needed because of that here, here is our font in dashboard controller, and go to our home function, and home function before home.index. Here is the index, and this is the index pages. Look at that font in section. Here I have make a mistake actually. We not to make any master, so it will be the problem. So better, I will make a master first, then index file after getting the master, and just extend for this. Otherwise it will be problem is arise. So better we make a master first. So front end I make a master. So master dot play dot php. Here is our master file, and this is the index file. So all of this file, first of all, make the master. Here is the master, and master will keep some preloader header. Okay, fine, it will be master. Now here we just iterate yield make content. Okay, here to make content and all of these things, section blog, here content. So better, everything will be fine at this moment. So index pages, we just not need anything. We just extends front end and dot master and at the rate section content at the rate in section. I hope it will be work. Now go to the VS Code and check this. It will be work or not. And this is our web browser, and just keep reload. I hope is all of this file will be okay, and it will be work. So now better we just describe of yeah it. So go to the VS Code. So I just describe some. Look at this master, and master will be here is the section header, and this is the only page of the home page. So when you make a lot of pages like all categories, about us, contact us, but all of the pages, this header will be rendered. Okay, this header will be rendered. So we make a query here, all categories get the queries, but make the issue when you get different pages like all courses, category wise page or subcategory wise page. When I created, then all of the time again and again this query is called, but it's not a good practice, friend. So that's why I make a global function. Because of that, this header, look at this is the master and this is the header. This header is always work all of the pages, not any specific pages. If you call the query in this home function, it will work only the home pages. When you got another page is created, this query didn't work. This query didn't get for the data, the error. There you will be again and again call this query. So we make a solution for this. Now we make a global function. It's very simple. Now call the global function is once again. So just global using category. We make a same query, but don't worry. Just make a function first. Isn't function exist get categories function get categories or return category. Just initialize of your model category with first of all with subcategory. Not is it just I get the data actually, but better I will also picked up his subcategory, so you will be understand. I will show you. But don't worry, pass subcategory and that's the get. I hope it will work. Return category with subcategory. That's gate. Fine. Oh, here's a mistake here. So not with. Yeah. The red line will be gone. Now we just make a small function. Go to the header, and this header we just simple PHP function, and just close the PHP block, and our function will be here, get categories. So just call the function here. This function will be called, and this function just keep in the variable into the variable categories. Okay, this function will be called, and just now you just call here. Look at this. Yes, look at the here. Lot of list. We just only one list actually. Other list is not required. So just collapse first, and then will be remove. A lot of categories. Yeah. Yes, remove and make it dynamic. For is your categories as $item and rate in for is, and here, so first development, so we just call dollar item test to name, and now Better go to our category. This is our category, and call the another function public function eagle loading actually subcategory. Just called it and return the function. It will be has many because one category has multiple subcategory. Okay, so here the relation will be has many, and this is a subcategory model actually subcategory, yeah, subcategory call class, and here category underscore id will be id. Category underscore id will it's a table initialize of subcategory tables. Here, look at that. I will show you where the category why the category id. Go to our subcategory. Here, look at this. This is the category id. Okay, and this category id. That's why category id, and id is the primary key of the category. So okay, now go to the browser and check for this. Now keep load. And got the development, all development. Look at this. Actually we put the all of this data will come from our dynamic data, and this is the subcategory data will be the currently static, and I make it dynamic by this data. All of this data actually comes of photography, health, marketing, personal development, all of this. Okay, so we just not ordering, so that's why here is the data is the ordering ways, ordering way or not ordering way. So better I need to make order, so it will be the nice. So just go to our VS Code and keep the modify our query. And now this is our code editor, and is a global helper, and the category with subcategory gate. Okay, fine, but here by is by order by name, and it find by ascending, and this data will be comes from ascending way, and also make subcategory will be dynamic. So better look at this. Just will also keep one list, one li, and here we just again for loop for is dollar item subcategory as dollar data, and trade in for is, and this is the data dollar data comes to the name actually. Okay, and go to the VS Code. Just keep reload first. Here is our data, and business design, development, health. It will be comes from ordering way for our name, and all business, finance, enterprise, home, industry, and also all of this dynamic data is came here. So here is the logo will not shown, and some problem here. Look at this is our admin panel. Okay, just keep the log out, and now here is the css design will be conflicted of our dark mode. So first of all, I just this problem will be solved, and now check for another time. Go to our VS Code, and now fine. First, consider our logo. Here is the logo. Maybe it will be dynamic, but initially I want to keep some show this logo. Where is the logo? Where is the logo? Yes, image logos. So better, you will also know that how to work this as a asset helper function by default static helper function by built-in Laravel here, and it will be front end, and here one issue will be gone, and another issue will be, look at this category. Now go to the actually here, backend. We just put the link here, and this link we just here, not here, link. Oh no, it's a font end, not a font end. I just want for backend. Here is the backend section. Here in the backend section, and here is the link. So better I close first and look at this function. I will same this function, but better I will keep it master and check it. This problem will solve or not. If not solved, then other will I take a different I make a different logic. So here, better section link, I just put it and check what it's work or not. Just stop sharing. Just go to our web browser. This was our web browser, and just keep reload. Issue will not solve. Maybe it will be some error. Oh no, issue will be solved, and check it. Okay, just check it. Yes, issue will be solved. Okay, this issue will be solved, and now this logo will be shown. Just check it. I hope it will be work. Also, the logo will be shown. So you will, if has a fashion problem, you will be keep the light color, not a issue for this. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment for this, and also subscribe of my channel. Okay, you like this video, I will humble request to subscribe of my channel, and also put your comment. Your comments make a inspire to make a new video. Thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.